So that's it, folks. The Don't Let Your Phone Upgrade Before You mini session. 3 steps to self-improvement in your personal life and in your professional life. Dr. Michael Bernard Beckworth once said that we are either growing or we're dying. There's no such illusion as standing still, because the very earth that we're standing on is rotating. So the net effect of standing still is actually moving backwards. So we're either growing or we're dying. Step number 1, acknowledge how far you have come. There's a quote that says, every next level of your life will demand a different version of you. Paulette 1.0, Paulette 2.0, 3.0. Acknowledge how far you've come in the different versions that you've already accomplished to meet the present moment. It's time to do it now. Step number 2, be deliberate and decide how to improve. Glenda Cloud says, change is inevitable. Growth is intentional. Intentionality comes into play. We have to be deliberate and decide what we choose for the next version of ourselves and what we lose. Step number 3, match your outer world to your internal vision. We all know the saying, from association comes assimilation. The people, places, things, activities in our world in which we engage, in which we indulge, in which we participate will either nurture and help to bring that next great version of us into fruition, or they will hinder, which will prevent that next great level from coming into fruition. So you want your acorn, that decision that you've made about what the next great version of you will look like, to actually manifest into the oak tree. Make sure you align your outer world with your internal vision. Listen, folks, you being the best version of yourself is not a favor for anyone else. It's a gift that you give to yourself, and you deserve it. I'll see you on the next level.